had to get a new piece of paper. I messed up. But if you look at the three graphs, okay, so the graph A, your data is located in the middle of your graph where you have space above and below your data. On graph B, your graph is located more at the top. Okay, this is going to show more increasing relationship. And then on graph C, your data is located down here at the bottom with not a very steep increase in your slope. So it's not much on a relation between the population and the years. It's not going to depict a strong growth of your population. Okay, let's fill this table out. So for 2002, all right, let's see where our population is. It's at 10,000. All right, well, I'm just going to go to graph B and see what 2002 is on graph B. On graph B, okay, it is also at 10,000. And then at graph C, okay, look at your intervals. Your intervals right here are different than the first two. So it's between 8 and 12,000 in the very center. So we're going to call that 10,000. Okay, you see how the change of your intervals on the population on your y-axis is going to change how your data is going to appear on your graph. All in all, the three graphs are going to represent the same set of data. All right, so for 2006 on graph A, we got 12,000. Okay, let's just make sure it is on graph B also, which it is. Okay, 12,000. And then on graph C for 2006, it's right there. It's going to hit the center, which is 12,000. Okay, 2010. 14,000. 2010. And then on graph C also, it's going to hit right there. Okay, if that's 12,000, then that's going to be 14,000. Okay, all right, so all three graphs represent the same set of data. Okay, so which graph do you think each person or group made? So Mayor Montoya, all right, she is in favor. She wants the population growth to look good. All right, so which graph makes the population growth look good? Is it graph A, B, or C? We're going to say it's B because the data of the population growth is located at the top of the graph and the line is a little bit steeper than the rest of them. All right, so down here at the bottom, we're going to say Mayor Montoya uses graph B. Graph B is considered skewed because of the location of the data. All right, We Breathe Clean Air Act group, they're the protest group that's against it. They disagree with it because they think that it's going to cause pollution. So they are not in favor of the car factory coming into the town, okay? So they want to make the population look like it's not growing. Not growing as fast as what it is. All right, so which graph up top makes the population not look like it's growing as fast? This is going to be graph C. All right, then we have this independent consultant, and if you look up top at the scenario, it says that they are going to present a neutral opinion of the car industry issue. And so they're going to use graph A because it's neutral, because you have your data that's going to be located in the center of your graph. So graph A. All right, this one's neutral. Let's go back to this one. This one right here, this one is also skewed.